Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to unlock Android 2025. Let's begin. So let's begin with locking our phone, just like that. And in order to unlock it, we want to first click the power button. Then we want to move our finger up. And then we need to input our password. As you can see, I am currently using patterns, so the for me pattern is something like this. But if you are using PIN or password, you would have to input that PIN or password in order to unlock your Android 2025 device. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.